if y'all didn't catch what he said earlier, he said maybe I'm intimidated by the competitors. He's actually in my market. He started in Kentucky. He kind of leaned in and looked at me when he said that. But let me address that though, because if you rank your Google listing, my Google listing is staying exactly where it is. We're just gonna be taking up 2/3 of the top results together, bro. It's me and you, bro. Let's
Hey,
take
hey,
over.
I'd be happy to be number two. To number three, just get me on the board, man.
There you go. Hey, listen, and that's what I try to tell people. People are like, oh, somebody else is in my market. I don't know. Like, bro, there's still two other spots there that you can take up right
Yeah.
there in the 3-pack at the top. And then there's not to mention all the other forms of marketing and advertising and sales that you could do, even if you never get to the top spot.
Yeah. Yeah. I
Donnie's
would.
not here tonight, but I remember him telling it was on my test drive call when I was thinking about, whether or not to go all in, right? And
Mm-hmm.
Donnie was like, look, man, if you're worried about competition and all that stuff, he was like, don't. There's plenty to go around, and I'll prove it right here. So this is a total accessible market analysis that I did before I joined the group, before I decided like, yeah, I want to join this.
Mm.
This is something I want to do. And this is something you can also plug in the chat, GPT or Gemini or whatever. Total accessible market analysis, or a TAM. So for Chattanooga, the greater Chattanooga area, like a 40-mile radius, even capturing just 1% of the market annually would result in approximately 714,000 in gross revenue.
That's encouraging.
1% of the market, my man.
Come
So,
on, man. You spitting game. Or you are dropping gems, man.
Yeah,
so yeah,
that was a bomb
and
right there.
so by the way, that oh, I forgot to mention, this is just residential. This doesn't even count, the big industrial, like, hotels, all the big stuff, laundromats that you got to buy extra equipment for. This is just single family
Yep.
homes
Yep.
that you can do with a lint eater kit.
And does it include installations and reroutes and that kind of stuff, or just like
I did it at a $300 average ticket.
okay,
And
yeah,
then the parameters I gave, I was like, here's how many jobs I can conceivably do in a day. Um, please, please look at the population, the number of total households, specifically the number of single family homes. Single family homes is about 238,000. Um, Keep in mind that, people are only needing cleanings every 12 to 24 months. Uh, so that it'll spit out that result for you. So the if you increase the service awareness in your marketing to an annual requirement, the TAM effectively doubles, um, from 17.8 million to 35 million in annual revenue. That's what, like, what was that? I don't know what percentage of the I'm sorry. Assuming 25% of the single family homes in a single given year, potential annual revenue $17.8 million.
So you just need a piece of that pie.
And at 1%, that's 714,000. So don't be scared of competition, man. There's
I hope you enjoyed this conversation. If you're getting started in your business and you want to see how we're helping new dryer vent cleaning business owners get off to a great start for free, click the link in the description below and take the test drive. Or don't, and just keep binge watching Dusty Lint videos. Whatever makes you happy.